Get ready to shift gears and accelerate into the world of transmissions like never before. In a world where the language of cars can sometimes sound like a foreign code, we're here to decode the ultimate transmission guide and take you on an exhilarating ride through the world of DCT, manual, AT, AMT, CVT, and IMT. Buckle up, because this video is about to give you the transmission education you never knew you needed. Today, we're embarking on a transmission odyssey that will not only demystify these mechanical marvels, but also entertain and educate you like never before. We'll navigate through the gears of knowledge and explore the pros and cons of each transmission type, from the time-honored manual to the cutting-edge DCT. Whether you're a die-hard car enthusiast or simply curious about how these automotive marvels work, this video from Car Computer Exchange is your golden ticket to transmission enlightenment. Get ready to laugh, learn, and have your mind blown as we uncover the secrets behind these mechanical maestros. So strap in, put on your driving gloves if you have them, and prepare for a transmission extravaganza that will leave you shifting gears in conversation like a true auto aficionado. From the adrenaline-inducing dual clutch to the smooth sophistication of a continuously variable transmission, we're about to take you on a wild ride through the transmission landscape. Get ready to ignite your passion for cars, impress your friends with newfound knowledge, and embark on a transmission adventure that will make you feel like you've got the power of 1,000 horsepower under your fingertips. This is the ultimate transmission guide, unleashed, unraveled, and ready to go. Transmission works. Have you ever wondered what's going on beneath the hood of your car when you shift gears? Well, get ready for a crash course in transmission wizardry. Transmissions are like the secret agents of the automotive world, silently working their magic to ensure the power from the engine reaches the wheels. It's the ultimate power play. Think of a transmission as a master conductor, adjusting the gear ratios to control the speed of your vehicle. When you come to a stop, the transmission disconnects the engine from the drive wheels, allowing the engine to keep idling while your wheels take a break. It's like giving your engine a little me time when it's not needed. But as soon as you hit the gas pedal, the transmission kicks into action, enabling quick acceleration and allowing the engine to run smoothly while cruising at consistent speeds. It's a dance of power and finesse, perfectly choreographed by your transmission. Manual transmission. The manual transmission. The epitome of automotive enthusiasts' dreams and nightmares. If you've ever had the pleasure or pain of driving a stick shift, you know that it takes a special set of skills. Picture yourself sitting in the driver's seat, grasping the clutch pedal with your left foot and the shifter with your right hand. It's a symphony of limbs and coordination as you manually change gears, engaging and disengaging the clutch like a maestro. Manual transmissions consist of a magical set of gears along a pair of shafts, the input and output shafts. With a manual transmission, you have the power to select the perfect gear for any driving situation. It's like being the DJ of your own driving experience, choosing the rhythm that matches your style. Manual transmissions are beloved for their off-road prowess and ease of maintenance. But let's be honest, not everyone has mastered the art of the stick shift, and it can require some extra effort and patience. We've all experienced those heart-stopping moments when you accidentally grind the gears. Whoops! Intelligent Manual Transmission, or IMT. Enter the Intelligent Manual Transmission, the tech-savvy sibling of the traditional manual gearbox. It's like the cool kid who knows how to adapt without losing its essence. With an IMT, you get the best of both worlds. A clutchless manual transmission that puts you in control without the hassle of a clutch pedal. Picture yourself cruising down the road, effortlessly shifting gears without lifting your foot off the accelerator. It's a smooth and seamless experience, like gliding on a cloud. The IMT gives you complete control over your gear selection, no reliance on software algorithms trying to read your mind. Plus, it comes at a lower cost compared to its traditional manual counterpart. However, keep in mind that the gear shifts may not be as buttery smooth, as it relies on a single clutch that's modulated by an actuator. But hey, life is all about the trade-offs, right? Automated Manual Transmission, or AMT. Let's face it, Not everyone is a fan of clutch pedals. If you're nodding your head in agreement, then the automated manual transmission, or AMT, might just be your cup of tea. It's like having your own personal chauffeur who takes care of the clutch work and gear shifts while you sit back and enjoy the ride. AMTs are mechanically similar to manual transmissions, but with a tech-savvy twist. Sensors and actuators take center stage, doing the heavy lifting of clutch engagement and gear changes. Say goodbye to that clutch pedal and hello to convenience. With an AMT, you can still take control of manual gear shifts when needed, thanks to a little push or pull of the gear lever. It's like having the best of both worlds, an automatic and a manual at your command. Not only does the AMT reduce driver fatigue by eliminating the need for clutch operation, but it also boasts better fuel efficiency. It's like having a frugal friend who knows how to make the most of every drop of fuel, ensuring more power flows to the wheels. However, keep in mind that AMTs work on preset RPM levels, which means they might surprise you with an unplanned upshift during overtaking. Just when you thought you were the one in control, the transmission decides to shake things up a bit. Hey there, transmission enthusiasts! Ready to put your shifting skills to the test? Drop a comment and let us know. Which transmission type do you think best suits your driving style? Are you a smooth shifting automatic aficionado or a manual maestro with a love for control? We can't wait to hear your transmission tales. Automatic transmission, or AT. Now, let's take a ride into the realm of comfort and convenience, the land of automatic transmissions. You know those transmissions that change gears on their own, like mind readers predicting your next move? Automatic transmissions are the superheroes of seamless driving experiences, freeing you from the chore of manual gear shifts and clutch operation. Imagine this. You sit behind the wheel, and as you glide your foot from the brake to the accelerator, the transmission does its thing. It connects to a torque converter, a vital component that makes the magic happen. Fluid flows, gears engage, and you smoothly accelerate without a care in the world. It's like having your own personal chauffeur who always knows the perfect gear for every situation. Automatic transmissions make driving a breeze, offering ease of use and comfortable journeys for both the driver and passengers. However, beware the complexities that lie beneath their smooth surface. They can be high maintenance and expensive to repair compared to their manual counterparts. But hey, when you're cruising down the road, effortlessly shifting gears with a gentle tap of the gas pedal, the price might just be worth it. Continuously Variable Transmission, or CVT. Welcome to the world of Continuously Variable Transmissions, or CVTs, where gear changes are a thing of the past. Say goodbye to the traditional gears you're used to, and enter a realm of infinite ratios, like a shapeshifter on the road. CVTs operate on a system of belts and pulleys, controlled by a computer that adjusts them to create the perfect gear ratio for any driving situation. It's like having a chameleon transmission that adapts to your every need. No more jolts and jerks during gear shifts. Instead, you experience a smooth and seamless ride as the transmission optimizes the gear ratios based on driving conditions. CVTs are the fuel efficiency gurus of the transmission world. They keep your engine running at its most efficient speed, maximizing every drop of fuel and reducing emissions. However, don't expect to take a CVT off-road or rely on engine braking like you would with a manual transmission. They have their limitations. But when it comes to smoothness and fuel efficiency, CVTs take the crown. Semi-automatic transmission. Let's dive into the world of semi-automatic transmissions, the rebels of the transmission family. They're like the rebellious teenager who defies convention, but still keeps a hint of tradition. Semi-automatics provide an alternative to their fully automatic or manual counterparts, offering a unique driving experience. In a typical manual transmission, you press down on the clutch pedal when you want to change gears. But with a semi-automatic, there's no clutch pedal in sight. Instead, a computer takes the wheel, using processors and sensors to automatically depress the clutch when you shift gears. It's like having a trusty sidekick who anticipates your every move. Driving a semi-automatic car feels just like driving a manual car, except without the hassle of pressing the clutch pedal. It's a smooth and efficient shifting experience, leaving no room for lag time or slippage. However, keep in mind that this convenience comes at a cost. Complexity. Semi-automatic transmissions can be high maintenance and expensive to repair. But sometimes, the thrill of a smooth shift is worth the extra investment. Dual Clutch Transmission, or DCT. Get ready to unleash the beast within, because we're diving into the world of dual clutch transmissions, or DCTs. These transmissions are the speed demons of the automotive world, delivering lightning-fast gear changes that'll leave you breathless. In a DCT, you'll find separate clutches for odd and even gears, allowing for seamless and mind-bogglingly quick shifts. It's like having two superheroes working together in perfect harmony. With the DCT, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, operating it in a fully automatic mode or taking control with a flick of a paddle on the steering wheel. It's the embodiment of performance and precision. However, with great power comes great complexity. DCTs are known for their extreme sophistication, which can lead to more frequent and costly repairs. But hey, when you're behind the wheel of a race car or a high-end sports car, and those lightning-fast gear changes propel you into the realm of exhilaration, the price might just be worth it. And that, my fellow gearheads, concludes our wild ride through the world of transmissions. We hope this video has shifted your knowledge into high gear and left you craving for more automotive adventures. If you're hungry for horsepower and thirsting for transmission trivia, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of automotive enthusiasts here in Car Computer Exchange. Stay tuned for more exhilarating content, because the transmission journey has only just begun. Until then, keep those engines roaring and gear shifting like the automotive rock stars you are. Vroom vroom, my friends.